For question 5, up here we have our answer key, but we're going to start from scratch. The first thing we're going to do is create a list by using the shortcut Alt-DL, create a list using our source right here. Okay. So for this, we're going to be using the sum ifs, count ifs, and average ifs. So the first formula we're going to do is count ifs. The criteria range number 1 is going to be our our gender. We're going to go ahead and lock that. And our criteria being this up here. Our next criteria range is our quality rating. So we're going to go over here to quality rating, lock that, and our criteria itself is whatever we selected up here. We go ahead and lock that. We check if it makes sense. Yes, it does. So actually, this is supposed to be locked. This is supposed to be locked to our excellent down here. We're going to create a bar here so we know which one's which. Okay. For average, we'll use our average ifs. The first thing we want to know is what's our average range. So we're doing average age. We go down to our age column, lock that. Our criteria range number 1. So what we're going to do first is going to do gender. Okay, lock that. Use this. We don't have to lock this. Our next criteria range is quality rating. And our criteria itself is over here. Press enter. We can see that it matches. Next thing we're going to do is total site visits. 40. So what we're going to do is sum ifs. We're going to go to total site visits. This is our sum range. Comma there. Our criteria range is age, gender. Our criteria is over here. Next criteria range is our quality. Lock it. And lock it too. What do we get? 40. Perfect. Okay, next, average ifs. Our average range of annual income right here. Our criteria range, same thing. We're just doing the same thing over and over again. Female. Next criteria range is our quality rating. Lock that. Lock that. Perfect. It also works. Now, to get the male side, all we're going to do is Alt-ESF to copy the formulas. And since we didn't lock our male criteria, our gender criteria, everything is how it should be.